Audrey here. Feel free to call me Dre, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another Lusaka vlog video. In this video we will be touring Chilenje house, which is Kaunda's first house before getting independence. Yeah, welcome to Chilenje house. For Zambian it's 8 kwacha, 9 Zambian is $15. Okay.
So that one, $15 is equal to 108.
Oh, okay. I pay from resident aid. Is it always open?
Yeah, it's always open.
It's always
public holiday, weekends is open. Some neighbors where we came from.
Oh, this is the house he lived in?
Yeah, this is the house he lived in.
Neighbors?
The house, a neighbor by the name of Chile.
Chile?
Chile. He was Ila by tongue, by tribe.
Okay.
So then there's another house which is up outside the fence.
Outside the fence?
One, yeah. That was occupied by Halimanga Nkumbula.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Halimanga Nkumbula, who was the president of the party called African National Congress, ANC.
ANC.
Yes.
Okay.
And then Kaunda here.
Okay. Was this one here? I'm not aware of this one. Was he also in politics?
Yeah, he was also in politics.
Okay.
This we can say that when UNIP was formed by Mainza Chona, those were the first members of UNIP.
Oh, okay.
Then Kaunda now became a president of the party.
Okay.
And then the other neighbor was Adam Banda. Adam Banda was much into business.
Okay.
Was much into business.
Okay.
But he later on he stepped into politics as well.
Okay. Was it a coincidence that they lived together, or it was planned like, no, we are in a group of a sort?
Those two, they were not like coincidence. But when Kaunda became a president of UNIP in 1960, because he was staying somewhere there, and then he came to live here. Yeah. That means they wanted to become neighbor like
together. Okay.
Yes.
So these furnitures have not been changed. They are the actual furnitures.
Therefore, they had a political protest where he chose a dress code like Kwame Nkrumah, that one. So that was a toga in black. That's
what I was actually asking, because it's Kwame Nkrumah, it's like a Ghanaian type of dressing. So why did he go with that and not a traditional Zambian outfit?
Kwame Nkrumah was also a teacher by profession. Kaunda was a teacher by profession.
Okay.
So they were like friends.
Ah, okay.
So in Ghana, if you have to put on a black toga, that means something bad has happened in your life. So same as Kaunda, as it was the first arrest to in his life. That's why he chose a black toga tie.
Okay.
Then a normal toga, any color, that was this one, like this one, he was in a blue. Yeah, so happy. This is the time he got independence, 1964.
Okay.
Then witnessed by the last governor, Evelyn Horn. That's the white man.
Oh, okay. I
And his
understand.
first cabinet here.
And he went with the same outfit.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Who are these white people?
Yeah, he included 2 white people in his first cabinet.
Oh,
And one of them is still living.
really?
Yeah, this one.
How old is he then?
He's somewhere 90 something as well.
Where is he based?
He's in Zimbabwe now.
So after he became president, that's when he left this house.
Yeah, after he became president, that's when he left the house. The master bedroom.
The master bedroom. Oh, okay. So this one is a gallery, but it used to be a home just like. Okay. Used to be is equal to this one, okay? 20, the value even, so it was this one, and then this, the value of this 500 was equal to of the 50. Yeah, the value of 1000 was a value of 100. I hope I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and then the value of these, like this one, I'm just asking the kind tour guide here why they didn't teach us this in school, guys. If you are taught this in school, please comment down below, because I didn't learn this in school. I honestly didn't even know this. Bank of Rhodesia and Nyasaland. So this is Zambia and Zimbabwe.
Zambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi.
Malawi. So we use the same note.
Yes.
And we used to use pounds.
Pounds.
I have no recollection of hearing this in school.
Sure.
Kapenda naibada, but
It was even not there in the syllabus.
it was never in the syllabus. Actually,
They never taught us, even us. Nothing.
why the shilling? This says shillings.
Yes.
Why?
Shilling, I think it was the smallest shilling.
Oh, so it was shillings then to pounds.
Yes.
But aren't those two different currencies now?
During the pounds, but when we changed to Bank of Zambia,
Oh, so first it was a pound under the British.
under the British,
Okay, then when it changed to
it
Bank
was
of
still
Zambia.
Bank of Zambia, but it used also the shillings.
So when did it change to kwacha?
Immediately when we got independence.
So this was before independence.
Yeah, this was before independence.
Uh-huh.
This one was 1963.
Oh, closer to
1963,
independence.
When they ended the federation, when they cancelled the federation of Southern Rhodesia, Northern Rhodesia, Nyasaland.
Okay.
Yeah, then
I understand.
Northern Rhodesia now became Zambia.
Zambia.
That's why now Bank of Zambia.
Zambia.
Then
Okay.
when now, after election of 1964,
Then we came to
the
kwacha.
kwacha.
And it looked like this.
Yes. It wasn't there as well.
It was never. I think I like them actually. Not this, but this one looks like the odd 20.
Yeah.
And this looks like the odd 500. There isn't much change here.
So in Kaunda time, this was the biggest money, 500 kwacha.
I still think it's too much. Why did they move from 500 to 10,000?